Okay, let's draw the triangle, yeah?
Yeah.
So let's say, oh, it doesn't say that's the right angle triangle. So it's triangle PQR.
QR.
PQ is 10, QR is 12, PQR is 45. Calculate the area of triangle PQR. How do we find the area of triangle?
Oh.
I think you will get a formula booklet when you do the test, don't you?
Not like all the time.
You got it?
Not all the time. I don't know if it is.
Oh, only for a certain exam?
Yeah, sometimes.
In the formula booklet, there will be a formula for this. So the formula is 1/2. In the formula booklet will be AB sine C. So AB is referring to this number. Doesn't matter the order. And C is the angle. Okay. So technically just plug it in your calculator. AB is 10 times 12 sine 45. Try. What do you get?
Hold on, I'm doing it again.
Into 3 significant figures.
(30√2), which would be 42.43.
42.4. Yes.
Four.
Yes. 42.4. Yes. Let's try another question like this, yeah? I'll give you a triangle ABC. ABC. The side is 5 and 6. And this angle is, let's say, 80 degrees. What is the area? Give me the area of ABC. You get it? Rohan, you still there?
Yep. I'm just
You get it?
calculating it.
Okay.
1/2 times 5 times 6 times sine 80.
Yes.
But hold on, I'm just calculating.
It is
Yeah, wait, hold on. Wait, I don't know why. Hold on. Let me get,
What happened?
no, it's because of error. Hold on. Look
What?
how that's possible. Yeah.
So 1/2 times 5 times 6 sine 80. I think the bracket, the way you put the bracket, the 80 has to be inside the bracket.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What do you get?
Hold on. 0.5.
Sorry?
Hold on, I'm doing.
Okay.
14.7 or 8. 14.8.
14.8. Yes. Okay. That's good.